Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Sky blue color, dark green color, yellow color, red color, light green color, violet color, purple color, dark blue color. A for aeroplane. B for banana. C for cow. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fruits. G for glass. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for oxygen. P for princess. Q for question. R for rose. S for school. T for toy. U for uniform. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.